So, sorry. So you have to go to Turnitin, and there you have to go to login. When you log in, so you have to add a class. When you add a class, suppose class name is apprenticeship. Enrollment key.
Abdul Shakur Sahab, screen stop ho gayi. Share again.
Okay. Now it's okay.
Good.
It's coming.
Yes.
So you can write apprenticeship, enrollment key, suppose ABC, subject area is a, what is the subject area? Career or technical, students level, graduate. Okay. So class start date, anyway, submit it. So continue. Now you see the apprenticeship. This is open now. I have to click this apprenticeship. You see the, so far I didn't receive any paper here. Okay.
Nice.
So
Okay.
we view more action. I have to go to the more action and submit. When I ask the submit, so what is the student name? Suppose it is Yunus. Last name is Al Makbali. Okay, submission title, apprentice.
Project name.
Whatever you want to write, apprenticeship, regular students. Now from here, you have to choose from the computer. Okay, when you choose from the computer, suppose this is scale 4 is the assignment, for example. I will upload. When I am uploading, the assignment will come like this. Okay, so I will confirm. When I confirm it, there is a message on left side, go to assignment inbox. I will go to assignment inbox. So Yunus Al Makbali, I have to click on apprenticeship. It will take little time to show the pleasure.
To scan.
To show the similarity.
Yes.
Okay. Now it is showing that it is 100% plagiarized.
Nice.
100% plagiarized because I uploaded already here. Okay.
Okay.
Then you can see this. Now the next is submitted to International Maritime College, 100% submitted to another site, 8% submitted to university, 5% submitted to management, 3%. Is it clear?
Mr. Shakur, what does it mean submitted to university?
Mean that
other university
the same thing was submitted to some university or some other colleges. If you go to the paper was already submitted, only 5% out of it.
Okay. Excuse me, Abdul Shakur sir.
Yes.
Actually, I need to share very important point here.
Yes.
Listen carefully. If you are receiving any draft and you guess that this draft is still not final, not completed.
No, final draft is something. Listen, this thing.
No. What I mean to say, always put final draft in Turnitin. If you are putting incomplete draft in Turnitin, and once it's recorded in Turnitin, second time when you will finish, automatically it will show that it is 80% plagiarism, 70% plagiarism.
And now in this context, what you can do that there are two ways. First, student have submitted the report. Okay, you went through the Turnitin, it's showing 20%. And
Yes, 20%.
yes.
If second time students are making any changes or any
Listen.
upgrading the work,
Listen, and now the second thing is you are asking them to rectify different things, the grammar or other part of the assignment. They are sending you again. Suppose you are, this is a
yes.
final assignment report. So in that case, you have to, there is a, if you click here, there is a sign like exclude sources. When you exclude the sources, so you have to click to submit to international. Now the International Maritime College, whatsoever that is similarity will be excluded from it. You see,
Good.
only there is a
Yes.
9%.
Show again. Show again. Show again.
Show again. Where to go? 1 minute. See. I will go there. Sorry. I will go there. There is a International Maritime submitted to. I want to exclude this because the same student have.
Can you point out where international?
Now I will click here. Okay. Exclude. When I exclude, that is not there. So the rest of the plagiarism is only 8%. You got my point?
No, actually, screen was not shared. We can listen to you, but the screen is actually still static. I don't know where you are going to put exclude IMCO.
Yeah, can you please share it?
Dr. Abdul Hamid, there is such an opportunity in Turnitin to exclude. Actually, I don't know, maybe your screen has problem, but we can exclude the previous
now you cannot see
the hour. But it's on the
screen actually
you can see a screen or no?
No, it's just static, not.
For us, I can see actually. Maybe you can stop and start again, Dr. Shakur.
Yes, share screen again. Press share screen again.
Yeah, it's shared 2 times. It's coming to me. Now it's okay.
Yeah, it's coming to us. Maybe Dr. Abdul Shakur has problem. You can stop and start again, Mr. Abdul Shakur.
No, you cannot see the movement.
Yeah, I can see the movement. Yes.
We can see.
Now clear.
Now it's okay.
8%. 8% right side.
Now it's clear.
Yeah, it's clear. Yeah.
No, where is the point where exclude IMCO?
Yeah, that is, you have to see down there is exclude sources.
Yeah,
When
yes,
you
yes.
click
I
on
can see.
exclude sources, you will
Okay.
have to click. Suppose you don't want this the hdlhandle.net. You want to exclude it. Okay.
Okay.
And the red will exclude it. That's it.
Now perfect. Perfect.
Now, the next thing is you have to you see the down arrow, show the current view. Click the current view. The assignment is apprenticeship 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is saved on your desktop. I will go back. Can you see my desktop or no?
Yeah, right now, yes.
You can see, no?
Yeah, we can see it.
Okay, I will click the apprenticeship 1, 2, 3. When you view this report, it will come like after 10 and 10, it will come like this. See, the similarity index is 7%, internal sources, this person, publication, student paper. This paper should be included in student report.
Okay.
Final
report
should be included. Okay.
Nice. Okay.
Is it clear? Can we move forward?
One question, Abdul Shakur, sir.
Yes.
Right now, we selected the Word file, Microsoft Word file.
Yeah.
If you are uploading any PDF file,
yeah, it will be same. PDF, Microsoft Word, it is same. But pictures
and any other format, pictures or scanned, no.
No, no. They have to submit. They are and they are guided like this, and they are asked to submit PDF or Word file.
And any mathematical solutions, mathematical equation, if
No.
they are providing data, graph.
Mathematical solution, there is no solution here.
And also if there are some graph.
Graph, if there are pictures are there, so it's difficult.
No, it cannot.
Yeah.
Cannot. Even if it converts their word to picture, it cannot.
Yeah. You cannot. When you take the picture and put in the your report, nothing will come. Okay.
And if they are making any, if they are making any graph by Excel data.
Yeah, if there is a data, if there is a similarity of data, it will be, and if the table is there, it will show the similarity, but it should not be in picture form.
Turnitin working for Excel files as well?
Yeah, of course, the data will be also compared and similarity will be shown there.
And what about PPT, PowerPoints?
PowerPoint as well.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
Mr. Shakur,
Yeah.
actually, what I learned from you, the report which we received from the student. So the first thing which we will do is first we will pass that report from Turnitin. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
This
and
is
then
a
we will
listen.
get this
This is the first screening. If the 100%
Okay.
plagiarism is there, so you can ask your student to change their report. If you don't go through the Turnitin and you are looking at other point, it means that you are missing the major part of the report. Suppose you corrected the language session and formatting and all the things, and final report, you know that it is 100% plagiarized, then your efforts and students' efforts are zero.
So Shakur, can you please pass some report, some previous report from Turnitin right now? Can you please go through it? If you have some previous report, because this one is easy and the report is,
I'm going to that thing.
Okay.
I'm going to the next step. If this is clear, I will go to.
And Mr. Abdul Shakur.
Yeah.
I think there is another ability in Turnitin. If you want to check the revised file, because as Dr. Abdul Hamid mentioned, you can remove the previous Turnitin report, exclude, but there is some similarity from previous submitted files, right? Not from the, before that, maybe some other students submitted something to IMCO, right? So you cannot exclude all the IMCO. Maybe there is similarity with the previous report submitted to IMCO. There is another, if I'm not mistaken, there is another option in Turnitin. When we want to start to submit the file, we can submit the revision file.
Okay.
Have you seen it before?
Dr. Tahir, I didn't explore this thing. I will go through it, and if there is anything, I will.
Okay.
We will have a sharing section again, because this is a very important point.
Okay, sure.
It needs to be explored, and it needs to be looked into detail how it works.
Yeah. I will check in my Turnitin now.
You can also check. I will also go through it. If there is any point, we can sit for 5-10 minutes, and we can also.
Yeah, sure.
Correct.
Thank you. Yeah, sure.
Yes, dear. So can we move forward?
Yeah, sure.
Yes or no?
Yes, sure.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Now the next thing is, which is very important, is how to conduct, how to supervise the report. And to supervise the report, can you see my desktop?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. And to supervise the training report, we have a guideline for preparation of training report. Apprenticeship, all these documents are in Moodle as well as And if you want, I can also forward it to you. So for full-time and part-time, there is the same guidelines, okay?
Okay.
So what is the introduction, submission for evaluation? You have to go through all these steps. Cover page.
Mr. Abdul Shakur,
Yes.
we have access of this Moodle guideline.
Yeah. Anyway, I will forward to you these files. So training guideline for the preparation of the apprenticeship report. Okay. So there is an introduction, submission for, you can go, first is the cover page, second is declaration of academic integrity, third is, step is a certificate that is given by the company, then table of content, list of table, list of figure, list of symbols and nomenclature, then chapter, apprenticeship, all these things. Now there is also detail what should be the, from the top 1 inch, bottom 1 inch, right 1 inch, left 1.5 inch. This is a standard format for IMCO. Okay.
Okay. The top should be
Is it
1 inch.
clear?
And,
Now I will show you the simplest way. The simplest way, this is the report. Ask your student and conduct, if you can have a, if you can conduct a Zoom meeting with a student, ask them to copy this format, okay? Title of the training report. This report has, second is academic integrity, third is certificate, table of content, how they will write list of tables. They can copy this whole file.
okay.
Okay, they can copy this whole file. And where is this going? Okay, unless pictures and graph and references, whatever is there. Okay, you copy it, ask them to open the new file and paste it there. Okay, when they paste it there,
Okay.
this format of file will come with them.
They cannot work on the same file.
They can work on same file. I think logo is gone. So title of the apprenticeship report is what? Suppose training in Jindal Shadi, whatsoever.
Okay.
A training report. What was a training report about? Suppose it is water purification in the company. So whatever they write, it will come in the same font in the same fashion. You got my point? No more. Name of the student is Muhammad.
So we can ask them to use the same file, just save it as and do it, right?
Yeah, and fill it, khalas. And what is their ID? And under the superior, the font will come the same, and everything they can fill. Now here they have to fill it and sign it, and the end. Okay. There is a certificate and there is a table of content. They have to follow the same sort of thing. Correct? List of table, list of figures, list of symbols and nomenclature. Somebody's here. Nobody. Okay. Then chapter 1. What is chapter 1? What is chapter 2? Chapter 3, 4, and at the end referencing. All of you know how to do the referencing by Mendeley. Of course, Dr. Tyra knows. Do you know how to give the referencing? Hello.
Yes, we know, but if you give us a easy way, then it will be very good.
Yeah, there is the way is always. So what you have to do? Somebody is coming and going. Anyway, suppose you want to, what is going on? This is our Word file. Okay. Suppose I'm opening any page here. For example, I'm writing about the Newton's laws, something. Okay. So we get Newton's laws Wikipedia. Okay. Are you following me?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So we go to the, here you see the right side, the Mendeley. Click the Mendeley. When you click Mendeley, what is going on? I have to sign in before. Now, I'm sign in. So Newton first law. So I click here, and if there is any other thing you want, so I add it here. Is it added? Okay. Now go back to your Word file. This is your Word file. Okay. You want the referencing. You should click it. Insert citation. There are only 10 minutes.
We will log in again.
Okay, no issue. Insert again, go to Mendeley. When you go to Mendeley, that Newton law, you see the Newton laws?
Yes.
Jan Zev. Newton first law, text translation important. This is it. Just click here. So this is abstract, just cite. When you cite, where is it going?
Just right here, Newton and
Yeah, when you cite, it will come somewhere where. Suppose here I want to cite.
in the red.
Yeah, I have to cite. So you see, this is citation. Now I want,
Okay.
and now I want insert bibliography. So this will also come here. You can copy and paste at the end of this is the proper citation. You can manually edit as well. If there is no date here, you can go to the site and you can manually edit. This is how we do citation through Mendeley. Is it clear?
But Shakur, these things students should do that, not for the teachers.
No, if you know that, then a student will know this. So what I'm asking them, those who are supervising student, they can keep one session with them for 5 minutes, 10 minutes with each and everything. It will be beneficial. But first of all, if they know the things, then they can tell student, then can guide them very well. Hello?
Yes, yes.
Can we move forward?
Yeah, yeah.
So this is how you have to tell them how to do the referencing. Now, in the report, I showed you all the things. If there is any question, I will be happy to hear from you.
Please send this video link also.
I'm
This-
recording the video. I'm also
Yeah,
recording the
yeah,
video if it will be with you after a short while.
Okay,
Shakur
Mr.
ji,
Shakur, first of all, we will pass this, for example, their report and turn it in, and then after this we will see it. Okay,
Okay.
how much it is plagiarized. Okay, and then after this, this alignment, this for example, 1 inch and bottom, the top should be 1 inch, the bottom should be 1 inch. We will see that one. Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Then what are the other main features we need to check it?
No, but the guidelines are given. If you see anything is missing, so you have to give them the reports on their first draft. What are the corrections
Sir,
required?
Sir Abdul Shakur,
Yes.
there is any defense for this report as well?
But yes, there is a presentation at in the June, or we can, because of this crisis, we can postpone it into later on. We have to discuss with the management.
Can we take this defense online as well? I mean,
That's
defense is
possible,
compulsory
we can
after.
take.
Okay, nice.
Actually, when we see the module outline, there is a 30% for report, 40% for presentation, and 20% for the supervisor in
Defense.
yeah. And one more important thing for the supervisor, they have to check their logbooks as well in the final draft. When they are submitting that final draft, their logbook should be binded properly and should be signed by the industrial supervisor. The marks should be there because that contain 20 marks. And there should
all
be
these points are mentioned in the criteria what you are sending us.
Sorry.
All these important points.
Yeah, I sent the
about
email. Now I'm telling you again this. I will refresh the email and send it to you again, because for the final report, they have to submit logbook, and the logbook is the actually authentic industrial point of view. That is a certificate that they have done their training in the industry. That logbook should be signed and stamped by the industrial supervisor or whoever is in charge of it. And that's logbook should have the marks by the supervisor, that is 20%. And there should be a feedback on that logbook. That is also very important for the college point of view. So I will send you email regarding it.
Okay.
Okay. So these are general things. First, write first about the report and logbook. Any other question?
Actually, I think I saw one of the report and most of the questions related to chemistry. Can we contact you if you have any problem?
And no problem. If there is any issue, you can contact me.
Okay.
Okay.
So little bit I'm confused about, for example, that the first question arises by Mr. Jazib, that if we pass the report on turn it in, the second time when again we will pass it, so there will be some confusion. But no problem, I will watch this video again.
Sorry?
So how can we, for example, the question which was arised by Mr. Jazib, that if we will pass the report, first time we will pass the reports and turn it in, okay?
Yes.
So now the second time when we will pass it, so definitely there will be some, it shows some percentage of plagiarism, okay? So I have some confusion about how
yes,
can,
as per the college regulation, we we accept 25% plagiarism.
Yeah, this is,
am I right?
25%.
Yes, yes, right, you are right.
25%. If it is less than 25%, okay. More than 25%, it's not acceptable report.
By sending them the initial report, they can fix it.
Yeah.
Yes, Ms. Taira?
After Mr. Abdul Shakur asked us to do the pre-evaluation, after we get that one, we can send to them. If it is more than 25%, they can fix it by themselves.
Okay.
Then they can submit. They have two chances. Even if they did some mistake, they copy paste, they can see that because we cannot finally fail them, right? We have to give them chance. But according to academic integrity, I see, because after final submission, if there is still Turnitin, they will give another chance, right? But they will deduct the marks each chance after final submission. Before previous submission, we give them some chance to check it and actually fix it if they have more than 25%.
And Dr. Taira, so far, what I have been watching through years, so far there was no case that the student didn't revise it properly. When they get the report from supervisor that their plagiarism is this thing, they put their efforts.
Yeah, I think when we send them the
And
report,
the final report, most of the cases, it comes in okay form.
yeah, I think they can see.
So we have 1 minute. If there is any other thing you want.
Hello, Shakur.
Yes.
Regarding the Moodle, yeah, the point which I highlighted with you, how to make a group in the assignment, and to make a groups, only one group can go to the one assignment. The other group cannot go to there and cannot check it. Once
Can
one
you
group
give
is
me a little
completed,
time? I will go through it and I'll come back to you.
Log in.
Better.
Log in
Maybe
again. Log in again.
Okay, give me some time. So one group shouldn't go if it is already selected by one group for student.
yes,
The rest student cannot approach it. So
yes,
okay,
yes.
done. Okay,
You will come down.
I will send you WhatsApp message when the thing will be ready. I think there is option. We can do it.
Dr. Taira, can you do?
Sorry, can you tell me? I was busy with the students' message.
Oh, actually, I was